This is my kasi final look dahil mag-a-add pa ako ng aking favorite cheap pink color. So this is my final look for this Monday, everyone, and this is my only home makeup look, no? Dapat habang naglilinis ako, nagtatrabaho ako na day ko, I am pretty. So this is my look for today, everyone, and thank you so much. If you want to know this makeup look, just watch this video. And thank you so much, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe of my YouTube channel for more videos of me. Yeah, and let's do live. Mag-live ako while I'm working my 3D phone kissing design. So have a lovely morning, ladies, and thank you so much always, and kisses everyone. Yay! Ang gamitin natin itong Atlaia Parabens Lemon Verbena. Okay? So, naalala ko meron classic noon na si Verbena. Pangalan niya, si Verbena. Bango. It's so very fruity, lemon scent ang bango. No, ang bango. It's a very refreshing talaga. Summer na summer talaga yung bango. So, no, it's not a summer because it's a very fruity. I think it's just like, yeah, but it's ang ganda ng bango. Ang bango. Okay, have a lovely morning and thank you. Okay, I need to get ready now and let's work, and this is my Monday makeup look. Kahapon, napunta kami ni Daddy sa Bicol at nagpunta kami doon sa sunflower. Next week, ang daming sunflower doon. So, if you have a chance, punta kayo, maganda doon, bukika ng mga family or mag-date, punta kayo doon. Ang ganda doon sa Akibono Park sa Bicol. Okay, so, that's my tips. And then, yeah, next week, pupunta tayo sa swimming, kaya kailangan mag-diet ni Ate Red. Okay, so, I want to wear my sexy outfit. Okay, Saturday, so, abangan nyo yan.
Good morning, everyone. It's Monday today, July 22, and this is our morning. Actually, nagising ako very early in the morning, everyone. Nag-coffee ako, naglaba ako dahil hindi na ako nantok. So, and then, natulog ako ulit after my coffee. So, I'm not believe that kung mag-coffee ka ay hindi ka na makatulog. But nakatulog ako ulit. So, I wake up 10:30 dahil nagising ako sa lindol. No? Parang isang shake, ganun. Tapos, nagising ako. So, I have my cereal morning breakfast and have a take shower. And now, magpagwapa muna tayo, no? So, dapat before tayo mag-start sa ating trabaho, gwapa ta. Actually, today, I'm making my bling phone kissing, but that is a Hello Kitty 3D phone kissing design. And yeah, let's do have a live, okay, mamaya while I'm making my creation. So, this is my morning, everyone. So, let's have, actually, wala akong plano ngayon to go out anywhere, everywhere. Dahil gusto ko magpahinga and working my bling. So, but I apply this Shell 3 SPF 32 dahil, alam mo, baka pumunta ko ng market. So, I need to prepare my beauty, my skin. And next, I'm using this Ishi Skindations, everyone. Bakit ang dumi-dumi? So, I'm using this one. This Skindation, everyone. I just apply a thin layer. Thin layer lang talaga, everyone, dahil why I wear makeup, everyone, every day, everyone? Because it's not me na, I'm not pretty char. But you know, it really help also to protect some dust, yung mga, alam niyo na, mga masasamang alikabok na dadapo sa ating mukha, no? So, it really help also to protect also our skin. And of course, you know, if you want to achieve a beautiful skin makeup or beautiful makeup on your daily routine, take care your skin. And yan lang talaga mai-advise ko dahil kung hindi maganda ang skin mo and you have unhealthy skin, I'm using this Humi face balm, everyone, because I love this balm. Talagang it really help talaga nag-glow ang aking skin. I just apply on this area, kahit kibaw na mo. Lalo na rin sa mga eyebag banda, no? So, this is perfect. Actually, this is perfect when I will advise using balm, especially 50 plus over, no? Dahil talagang apply on your face if you're doing, kasi makikita talaga ang ganda ng result, ang ganda ng glow ng face mo, no? I really advise this face glow, everyone. Actually, meron akong binili isa yung Vaseline, hindi ko pa nagamit ang Vaseline, but I love this face balm, Womi. Wala lang, nakita ko lang yung mga YouTuber dun sa, sa YouTube, na gumagamit sila ng Aquaphor. That is Aquaphor balm, ang ginamit nila, yung mga older woman dun, medyo may edad, no? Baka sabihin nila, ito naman talaga, that's good for the older woman. And then, apply your favorite face powder. No, talagang ang ganda talaga ng result. So, this is my morning. So, yan, advice ko lang talaga sa mga medyo may edad na babae and you are doing makeup, no? Kasi pag nag-edad na tayo, nag-less na yung moisture sa face natin. So, kailangan talaga, kaya I really advise talaga to put always moisturizer in our skin. Whole body. Okay, kilay, magkilay. Tabi